friends, welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. As you can see from obviously what I'm eating, it's going to be a fun and festive day today here at Shelley's Bakes Cakes. Alright, these are called BOMB Pops. I mean, look how cute they are. They're so festive, they're so fun, they're so bright. So why not turn our cupcakes into BOMB Pops? Yes, we're going to make BOMB Pop Cupcakes today, you guys, and I'm so excited. It's going to be so much fun and super easy. You guys can do this at home. So much fun. Alright guys, let's make some BOMB Pop Cupcakes. Alright guys, to make these fun BOMB Pop Cupcakes, we need obviously our cupcakes and we need them to be festive. All I did is dyed some of my batter blue and red and then just kind of put them into my cupcake liners just randomly, so we just kind of have a random fun color here with our cupcakes. I showed you that technique back when I did my mermaid cupcakes and I'll link it right here so you guys can see it if you want to watch it. What else do we need? Okay, we need 3 1M tips. Yes, 1M guys, we're going with our 1M again today, and we need 3 of them. If you don't have 3, it's fine, you can just cut it out and use it again. But if you do have 3 hanging around, 3 will be easy. But if not, like I said, you can still do this. We also need popsicle sticks because we have to finish the look off of these super fun BOMB Pop Cupcakes. So we need these cute popsicle sticks to finish off the look. All right, to start out making these, we need to dye our buttercream blue and red. We're just making white vanilla buttercream, so we just need to dye it 2 colors. All right, we're gonna dye that blue and red. All right, now that we've got our buttercream dyed blue, white, and red, and we're gonna start by putting it in our piping bag with our 1M tip, and we're gonna start with the blue buttercream, and we're gonna just do a little bit of blue right on top of our cupcake. Then we're gonna get the white buttercream, do another little swirl of white,
and then a little swirl of red to finish this off.
The cutest BOMB Pop cupcake, but we cannot forget we have to add our popsicle stick. So let's add that in, just stick it right into the top of that buttercream, and there you have it guys. What could be cuter? Thanks so much for watching here at Shelley's Bakes Cakes as we made these fun Rocket Pop cupcakes. I took off the cupcake liners so you guys can see how much fun it is inside as well as on the outside. I feel like it's a good similarity to our actual Rocket Pop popsicle. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching here. Make sure and subscribe to my channel guys, and happy 4th of July.